temporary driver's seat.
Yeah. That's not as nice as the one that you put in.
No, not at all.
Can you open the hood?
Oh, definitely.
Thank you. Holy, look at all that. Is this sound deadening here?
I'm sorry?
Is this sound deadening here?
It's just insulation to probably provide some sound deadening features as well.
Propane or what is that?
That's the air.
Oh, air.
For the air tanks for the brakes and stuff.
Okay. You know how much I know.
No, that's for the diesel.
Huh?
That's the diesel. This is a 100-gallon.
This is diesel. Okay.
100-gallon tank. Cause see, I remember I told you the 100-gallon tank's in between the frame rails.
Oh, okay.